Hey my harmonies, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Symphony. Doesn't this look like my natural hair? Like just the way it's shaped and the curl pattern. I bet it will look like this if I was to dye it, but nope, I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna protect my hair. This is actually a wig, as you've seen by the title. I am going to be doing a wig install. This wig is from ILIKEHAIR, and I did work with them in the past with one of their other wigs. You can straighten this hair. This is a wear and go wig, ombre brown jerry curly bob with a 5x5 lace closure. If you guys want to see how I install this curly bob wig from ILIKEHAIR, then just keep on watching. The box came with some accessories that you would need for the hair. This is the hair, and it did come in a hairnet, so the hair was protected. With ILIKEHAIR.com, they do have fast, free shipping, 15-day exchanges and returns, shop now, pay later, and 25% off for new subscribers. And this is how the hair looks on the inside. It does come with 4 combs, an adjustable strap. This is how the lace looks. Everything is pre-cut, pre-bleached, so all you have to do is throw it on. With the adjustable strap, you can take it off. I am cutting off this part of the lace because I do not need it, but in case if you guys need it, it is there. It is optional to put on a wig cap as well, because all you have to do is just throw on the wig and it'll blend in with your scalp and hair perfectly, but just in case, I just put it on anyway. First, I'm just showing you guys that you can just easily throw on the wig without using any spray or glue. Easily take it off, put it on. Now this is perfect for the summertime because not all the time we're gonna want to wear a wig and have it melted down, glued on. Or let's say you're in a rush and you don't have time to do the whole wig process, you can just easily throw this on. You can wear it as a middle part or a side part. You can do whatever you want. It's just super natural and effortless, easy and quick, and it'll just look like your natural hair. Right now I'm doing a shake test just to show you guys that this wig is not going to move. When it's super windy outside, your wig is not going to fly off. As long as your adjustable strap is secured to your head and the hair combs are perfectly in place, then this wig is not going to move at all. Let's say you do want that extra security, we are going to melt it down, but first we're going to go in with the 𝐔𝐨𝐿 wax stick, and I'm just going to make sure that all of the little hairs are out of the way before I melt the lace. This is a 5x5 Swiss lace, so it's going to be super easy for me to melt and it's going to look super invisible. I'm going to be using one of my favorite sprays for my wigs, and it's the Ebin Wonder Lace spray, but this time I have the smaller can and it works so much better, at least for me applying the spray. With the smaller can, I noticed that I have more control of where the spray goes. I don't have to worry about the spray applying too much in one area because of it being bigger. So I definitely recommend you guys trying the smaller can instead of the bigger can if you haven't done that already. To give you guys some more information about this wig, this is 100% human hair. The density is 180%. It can last for more than 1 year. It is black and brown, so it's black first, then fading to brown. The hairline is pre-plucked. It can be dyed. The straps are adjustable, and the circumference of the wig is 22.5 inches, which is a medium size, and the hair length that I have is 14 inches. I'm gonna let the lace melt while I do my makeup, so I'll be right back. This wig is looking so good on me. Of course, I'm gonna fill myself with this wig, but now I'm going in with this spray by Ebin, and this is just gonna give me extra security on top of the extra security that I have, but I just want to make sure that this wig is melted down. And parts of the lace were like kind of lifting up, so using this spray just really melts them down extra. It'll help make my lace more invisible too. Like, this spray is known for that. To help me to have more of a realistic scalp, I am adding concealer. Not too much, but just enough so it doesn't look too dark. This is a second way that you can wear it, so you can just melt it down and leave the house just like this. Not have it too floofy, but just to make sure that the curls are still defined. Now I'm gonna show you guys that you can straighten this hair, but since I do have 14 inches, it's probably not gonna look as long, but I'm just showing you guys that you can style this hair different ways without the curls damaging. I did comb out the hair with a rat tail comb, so it'll be easier for me to straighten the hair, and I'm gonna be taking small sections at a time, normally like how I would do my natural hair if I was to straighten it. With this hair, you can't get a silk bone straight, but it will be more on the kinkier straight side. This is how my hair looks before straightening it and after straightening it. Now I'm just going to be wetting it just to show you guys that the curls will be back to normal, and I'm going to do the same thing on the other side because I'm going to be adding mousse just to add extra shine and definition to the curls. I'm going to be using this mousse, and all the products that I am showing you guys besides the wig are from Amazon, so I'll link them down below. But I love using this mousse for my curls. It's very affordable, but it still gets the job done. It still makes my hair look extra good. Next, I'm diffusing the curls so I can help the curls get back their volume and make sure that they have a shape, because if I just let it air dry, it won't look as good. Whenever I use a diffuser, it just really helps mold my curls back into their shape. After about 30 to 40 minutes, this is how the hair is looking. It looks so good. It looks so natural. My curls went back to normal, and that's why I like using the diffuser. Like, it really helps with the shape, because as you can see with the shape, it's more of a round shape instead of like a straight blunt cut shape. I am using a brush so it can help me have more volume with the hair. This is a lot of hair, and I really want to make use out of this hair, so I'm just making my hair as big as it can get. And this is the final result on how the wig looks. And if you guys want to know my final thoughts and opinions about this hair from ILIKEHAIR, then stay tuned towards the end of this video. The website and the hair, coupon codes, and anything like that will be linked down below in my description box. This hair is so gorgeous. It looks so natural on me, and I barely had to put any type of effort. I can straighten it if I want to. There's minimal shedding. I love the curl pattern, and I love the lace, of course. Look at the lace. It's melted down, and everything about this hair is perfect. You can easily just throw this on and go about your day, or you can melt it down and it wouldn't even take you that long. Just let me know your guys' thoughts and opinions about this hair. Would you guys ever try it out? Have you guys ever tried ILIKEHAIR? Just let me know in the comments. Like, comment, and subscribe to join the harmony, especially if you guys love beauty, fashion, lifestyle content, girly content, just any content that makes you feel feminine or extra feminine, then you guys would definitely love it over here. And of course, click that bell button to receive notifications from me every time I upload. Okay, so I love you guys so much, and God bless you all in Jesus' name, and I'll see you guys in my next video.